Piggu goes to the doctor. Piggu isn't going to school this morning. That's because he's going to the doctor's office.
I don't want to go to the doctor's office.
Piggu needs to have his vaccination. He's not looking forward to it. Piggu thinks that it's going to be painful. Piggu walks all the way to the doctor's office with Mom. He sees some other young animals waiting for their vaccinations too.
Shh, Piggu, you will upset all the others who are also waiting to see the doctor. Be brave,
says Mom. Piggu wriggles and grunts and snorts. No, it's all done, Piggu. You were making such a fuss you didn't even notice. Piggu gets a lollipop for being so brave.
It doesn't hurt one bit,
he proudly tells everyone on his way out.